Hello everyone, and welcome to another video produced by Financial Anatomy. I'm your host Elijah, and on this channel, you'll learn how to take control of your financial destiny. We're going to be talking about the Venmo app in this video and how you can lock or block your debit card. If you do this, no transaction will go through on your Venmo debit card. We'll also be showing how to unlock it if you so desire. So you want to start off by opening the app up, and then click on where it says cards at the bottom of the screen. Next, you'll click on your Venmo card, and you'll be presented with an option to add money, but you'll want to put your finger on the screen and just scroll down to get rid of this part. Once you've done that, you'll see an option to temporarily disable your card. Just click it, and Venmo is describing what I said at the beginning of this video. All future payments will decline. Just click on turn card off or turn off card. And the Venmo card has been disabled. If you want to re-enable the card, which will allow transactions to go through again, just click on that button again. And it's reversed to accepting transactions. That does it for this video. If you have any other questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. If you would like to see more tutorials on the Venmo app, like the video if you found value in it, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.